So we're almost at the airport. As you can see, I can see land over there. So we're close to Singapore. And we're almost there. Ooh.
喂，點解我輸咗？
係咪
溫唔係我？
係因為咧入咗8號
唔入得8號波嘅咩？
最後先可以入去。
係咩？你講翻聽。
我都話啦。
原來係咁玩嘅。嗰度啦，嗰度。
Oh, okay. You see land already? Oh, I hope it's not. Oh my God. I hope it's not hard landing. I'm gonna take it off just to go myself.
1, 2,
Whoa, 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 whoa.
3.
No, not yet. 50, 30. Oh, almost touchdown zone. Oh. Oh my God. What a hard landing. What a hard landing. What a hard landing. Oh my God. I forgot to tighten up my seatbelt.
張怡機場，呢個機場好大嘅，細佬，入邊有個瀑布。
I forgot to tighten my seatbelt. Yes. Okay, we're here. Oh my God, finally. I've been waiting for 3 hours for this. Wait, we didn't even... We stopped at the halfway point of the runway, bro. Look, there's still more runway. That was convenient. Okay.